Hello children, now let us continue the lesson, The Summit Within. Now the physical conquest of a mountain is only one part of the achievement. So पहाड़ पे जो चढ़ने का act है, it is only one part of the achievement. Okay, physically हम जो चढ़ते हैं तो achievement का एक part है. There is more to it than इसके अलावा भी कुछ और है. Let us see what is that. It is followed by a sense of fulfillment. Okay, you feel a sense of satisfaction. Now there is the satisfaction of a deep urge to rise above one's surroundings. Okay, you feel satisfied कि you have risen above your surroundings, उससे भी ऊंचे उठ गए हो. It is the eternal love for adventure in man. So climbing mountain is a endless love for adventure in man. Man loves adventures. The experience is not physical, merely physical. So the act of climbing mountain is just not merely physical. तो फिर क्या है? It is emotional and spiritual. Now he is telling about a typical climb. जैसे climb में होता क्या है? Consider a typical climb towards the summit on the last height. बिल्कुल last पहुंच चुके हैं summit में पहुंचने का. तो उस समय होता क्या है? You are sharing a rope with another climber. Okay, so at that time, actually what in mountain climbing, you share a rope with another climbing. You firm in, okay, you make yourself firm. Then your co-climber, he cuts the steps. That means वो रास्ता बनाता है. कहाँ पे? Hard ice के बीच से रास्ता बनाता है. And then he belays. Belays means fixes a rope and then you slowly climb up. The climb is grim. It is quite dangerous. You strain your every nerve as you take every step. So each nerve of your body gets strained when you take a step. Famous climbers have left records of the help given by others. So famous climbers वो records छोड़े हैं कि ये बताए हैं कि वो लोग कैसे help लिए दूसरों का. They have also recorded how they needed just that help. वो लोग ये भी बताए कि उस help का कितना ज़रूरत था उनको. Otherwise they might have given up. अगर help नहीं मिलता समय पे, so they wouldn't have climbed the mountain. Breathing is difficult. सांस लेना मुश्किल है. You curse yourself for having let yourself in for this. अपने आप को curse करोगे. Okay, कि sometimes you curse yourself कि ये पहाड़ पे क्यों चढ़ा मैं. You wonder why you ever undertook the ascent. ऐसे भी सोचते हो, सोच में पड़ जाओगे कि इस पहाड़ पे चढ़ने के लिए मैं क्यों कोशिश किया. There are moments when you feel like going back. Okay, so there are moments in this climb ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ चलो वापस चले जाते हैं. It would be sheer relief to go down. नीचे जाना बहुत आरामदायक होगा ऊपर जाने के बजाय. But almost at once you snap out of that and suddenly you remove that thought from your mind. There is something in you that does not let you give up the struggle. So there is something that tells you from inside कि you go on with your climb. Your companion keeps up with you. Just another 50 feet, then your companion who is with you, he is also matching your steps. And then 50 feet or 100 feet maybe ahead of you. And then you ask yourself, is there no end? आप खुद से ही पूछने लगते कि इस पहाड़ का कोई end है भी कि नहीं. You look at your companion and he looks at you. And you draw inspiration. दोनों एक दूसरे को देखते रहते हैं. And then as if drawing inspiration from each other. And then without being aware of it, you are और पता भी नहीं चलता है कब summit में पहुंच जाते हैं. So this is how a person reaches the summit. Now looking round from the summit, you tell yourself that it was worthwhile. So पहाड़ पे चढ़ने के बाद खुद को ऐसा लगता है कि पहाड़ पे चढ़ना बहुत ही अच्छा वाला एक्सपीरियंस था. Okay, worthwhile means appropriate. Now other silvery peaks appear through the clouds. So when you stand on the peak, what you can see other silvery peaks because it is covered with snow. If you are lucky, the sun may be on them. अगर लकी रहे तो सन का लाइट उस पर पड़ते हुए दिखेगा. And at that time the surrounding peaks look like a jeweled necklace around the neck of your summit. और उस समय आप जो समिट में खड़े हो उसके चारों तरफ के जो पीक्स कैसे लगेंगे, जैसे कोई ज्वेल्ड नेकलेस हो। बिलो यू सी वास्ट वैली स्लोपिंग इनटू द डिस्टेंस, और दूर क्या दिखेगा, बहुत सारे वैलीज स्लोप होते हुए। इट इज़ एन ennobling, enriching experience to just look down from the summit of a mountain, and this experience is ennobling, that means a proud, it will give you a proud feeling, or enriching means something that makes you rich, enriching experience. To look down from the summit of a mountain, it will give you a lot of satisfaction. At that moment, what you feel like? You feel like bowing down and show your respect to whichever god you worship. So what did the writer leave on Everest? He left on Everest a picture of Guru Nanak, then his co-climber Rawat. He left a picture of goddess Durga, then Fu Dorji. He left a relic of the Buddha. Relic means nishani. Then Edmund Hillary had buried a cross under a cairn. Edmund Hillary क्या छोड़े? A cross. Cairn मतलब a heap of rocks and stones in the snow. These are not symbols of conquest but of reverence. ये पहाड़ पे चढ़ने की निशानी नहीं है, but you are showing your respect. The experience of having climbed to the summit changes you completely. So this experience changes you completely. पूरी तरह से हमको बदल देता है. Now there is another summit, it is within yours. अब हमारे अंदर भी एक summit है. वो कहाँ पे? हमारे अंदर है, हमारे माइंड में है. ईच मैन कैरीज विद इन हिमसेल्फ हिज ओन माउंटेन पीक. हर इंसान अपने अंदर एक माउंटेन पीक लेकर चलता है, एक समिट लेकर चलता है. नाउ ही मस्ट क्लाइंब इट टू रीच to a fuller knowledge of himself. अब if a person wants to have a fuller knowledge of himself, he must climb that mountain peak that is inside in his mind. और ये summit काफ़ी डरावना भी है और ऐसा लगेगा कि हम उसको जीत हासिल नहीं कर पाएंगे. इट कैनॉट बी क्लाइम्ड बाय एनीवन एल्स. किसी और से ये समिट जो हमारे मन में है क्लाइंब करते नहीं बनेगा. किसको क्लाइंब करना है? यू योरसेल्फ हैव टू क्लाइंब इट. हमको खुद ही उस समिट को चढ़ना पड़ेगा. द फिजिकल एक्ट ऑफ क्लाइंबिंग टू द समिट ऑफ अ माउंटेन. ओके, फिजिकली व्हेन यू क्लाइंब अ माउंटेन इट इज़ सिमिलर टू द एक्ट ऑफ क्लाइंबिंग द माउंटेन दैट इज विद इन यू. द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ बोथ द क्लाइंब्स आर द सेम. दोनों क्लाइंब करने का इफेक्ट सेम है. Whether the mountain you climb is physical or emotional and spiritual, the climb will certainly change you. So you climb the mountain, physical mountain, or the summit that is inside you, it is going to certainly change you. It changes you much about the world and about yourself. So it will teach you about the world as well as you'll get to know a lot about yourself. Now I venture means सोचने का साहस करता हूँ. that my experience as an Everester, so his experience as an Everester has given me the inspiration to face life's ordeals means experiences resolutely means with determination. So his experience as an Everester, what it has taught him to face life's problems with determination. The conquest of the internal summit is equally worthwhile. हमारे अंदर जो है summit है उसको उस पर जीत हासिल करना भी it is worthwhile. Worthwhile means appropriate. The internal summits are perhaps higher than the Everest. हमारे अंदर जो summit है वो Everest से भी ऊंचा है. So we must have determination to face the summit that is within us. So this is the summary of the lesson.